Hey everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home to some of the most powerful and easy to use Excel tools out there. Whether you're in logistics, real estate, data analytics, or any industry that works with location data, today's video is going to save you a ton of time and effort. Our tool, Excel Geocoder, makes it fast, reliable, and incredibly easy to batch convert address to lat/long directly inside Excel. No more copying and pasting address into online tools, no expensive subscriptions, and no coding knowledge required. It's a 100% Excel-based solution. Just download the file, open it up, and you're ready to go. There's nothing extra to install, and it works worldwide, not just in the US. The tool connects directly to the Google Maps API, so you get real-time, highly accurate location data. Using it couldn't be simpler. You paste your list of addresses into the sheet. Whether you have 20 addresses or 20,000, Excel Geocoder handles it with ease. Once your list is ready, click the Generate button, and the tool instantly fetches the latitude, longitude, and even altitude for every address. The results are neatly organized in columns, making it easy to export, map, analyze, or integrate into your projects. We've been developing Excel tools for over 16 years, and Excel Geocoder is by far one of the most popular among our 7,500 plus happy clients. With over 140 five-star Google reviews, the feedback speaks for itself. Business analysts, dispatch teams, real estate agents, and logistics pros love how efficient and hassle-free this tool makes the batch address to lat/long conversion process. If you're ready to save yourself hours of manual work, download Excel Geocoder today using the link in the description below. If you need help setting up the tool, or if you need the tool customized, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email. You'll be speaking directly with the mastermind of Excel Distance Calculators. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a new tool or update. See you next time, and happy converting.